If the name of the most terrifying and mysterious place in the world is mentioned, then the name of Mariana Trench comes to mind first. Once a human body enters that darkness of the sea, it will instantly crumble due to the pressure. And there, scientists have heard some strange sounds, which have not yet been fully explained. The Mariana Trench is the deepest place in the ocean. It is about 36,000 feet or 11 kilometers deep. So deep that if Mount Everest were dropped upside down into it, its peak would be submerged sand. In 1997, American scientists placed special microphones called hydrophones in different parts of the ocean. Suddenly, a strange sound was heard, one that did not match any other animal on Earth. It was called the bloop. The sound was so powerful that it could be heard thousands of kilometers away. At first, many people thought it was the call of a huge animal. But the problem is, no animal this large has ever been seen. Later, some said that it might be the sound of ice breaking or a volcanic eruption under the sea. But even today, many scientists believe that an unknown marine creature is responsible for this sound. Imagine if you went down into that dark hole for even a second. All around were strange sounds, strange creatures, and a kind of pressure that could crush a human body. So, what do these mysterious words really mean? An unknown creature, or some other force hidden deep in the ocean? The Mariana Trench still holds secrets that surpass human imagination. What do you think? Are there really unknown creatures living deep in the Mariana Trench? Don't forget to let us know in the comments. And in part 3, we'll see the most strange and terrifying creatures discovered there and their mysteries.